it's Rachel Smith with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear Lake. Today, I wanted to talk to you about the trash situation over in the Big Bear Lake area and what do we do with it. The city of Big Bear and Big Bear Disposal have two drop off locations. These are called Clean Bear Trash Sites. Those are for customers who are unable to utilize weekly curbside trash service. Clean Bear Trash Sites are only available to those in the city of Big Bear Lake residents with a zip code of 92315. These drop off facilities have bins designated for household waste, recycling, green/yard waste, universal waste, and ashes. Ashes must be soaked for a minimum of 48 hours prior to disposal. Clean Bear Trash Site number 1 is located at 41790 Garson Drive in Big Bear Lake, open daily. Clean Bear Trash Site number 2 is at 39690 Big Bear Boulevard in Big Bear Lake, open daily. As of a year ago, December 1st, 2022, Clean Bear Trash Sites are now checking for proof of eligibility to dump your trash at these sites. Users of Clean Bear Trash Sites will be asked to provide proof of eligibility by giving one of the following: either your photo ID, a property document, either a mortgage statement, a lease, a property tax bill, or a utility bill. They will also accept your car registration. And for visitors, they'll accept a rental contract or any other document associated with a City of Big Bear Lake residential property address. So if you are a visitor in Big Bear Lake area, yes, you will be asked to take your trash out. You will be dropping it off at one of these two Clean Bear Trash Sites. So make sure you check those addresses above. I went through it today, as you can see with the girls in the video behind me. They didn't card us, but it was a Monday at 3:30, so not a busy time, but just wanted to give you the update. And if you have any questions, comments on real estate up in Big Bear or anything to do with Big Bear, feel free to reach out. My number is 909-744-2190. Talk to you soon. Bye.